How to schedule an appointment with Fifth Third Bank. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Next, scroll down or navigate to the Schedule an Appointment option, usually found under the Customer Service section. Then, click on it and hit Continue. You will be taken to the appointment scheduling page where you can select the type of service you need, such as opening an account, loan assistance, or general banking support. After that, enter your location to find the nearby Fifth Third Bank branch. Once the list of location appears, choose the branch you prefer. Then, pick an available date and time that fits your schedule. Provide your contact details, including your name, email, and phone number, and review all the information you entered for accuracy. Finally, click on Schedule It. You may receive a confirmation email or text with your appointment details. And that's it. Now you know how to schedule an appointment with Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.